Cars.co.za.
Who really cares about the car you drive? Or if you've arrived? We care. And that's why we guarantee the quality parts you need. Keep your adventure alive, because when it comes to finding the right part at the right price, there's just no place like Midas for the love of cars.
South Africa, BMW South Africa has always done benchmark events in the BMW group. And that's because South Africans are passionate consumers. They come to events like this and they make them happen. And remember, a big event like this is not big because we make it big, it's big because our fans make it big. So the M Fest is an iconic fest within the BMW group. It's the biggest in the world. And it's a time for really us to reward the M fans here in South Africa with an experience that you simply money can't buy, if you want to call it that. So it means a lot for the group because they send visitors from all over the world to come and see how it's done here, to take the ideas back to other countries in the world. And I think the fact that this year BMW M brought the world premiere of the M2 here to South Africa to the M Fest shows how important this is for the BMW group and M worldwide. I think looking back at M products, they were all great cars. So to say which is the best car is a really challenging question. And I think it's more about what's your favorite M car ever made. And for me personally, it's the first M3, the E30 M3. If you look back to the proud heritage of BMW here in South Africa, and we're almost here for 50 years already, you see some wonderful cars in our history. South African unique cars bred on the racetrack for the racetrack. Cars like the 333i, the 325IS, or what about the 530 MLE or the 745, which you've seen here in the pits today. These are South African bred cars who I think influenced the shape and the form of M for the future. So I think if we can look very proudly back on our heritage and say we contributed to what M is today.
We were driving one of those BMWs, 340i, and it was really a great experience. I'm like shaking with the adrenaline. It was awesome.
First time I've ever been in an M4, the new ones. Amazing. I've never felt something like that before. On the turns and everything, something else, man.
It was most definitely I don't even know what to say. It was a lovely ride. It left me speechless. I enjoyed the experience. It was amazing. It was amazing.
The M8 is quite quick. I was surprised with BMW. Not much of a fan, but it was brilliant. Thank you.
What's up, everybody? Red Bull Drift Brothers. My name is Joe.
I'm Elias, and we are so happy to be here first time in South Africa at the BMW M Festival.
Incredible experience so far. Those babies, what BMW puts together as product, it's just the most fun. We went through so many different cars, and like the packaging usually gives you everything. You can have fun, but you can still drive a long road if you have to. It's just so much fun, and we love having fun, in my opinion.
And actually, our both first car was a BMW E30,
aka Gusheshe.
And yeah, from that day on, just the car speaking with you, and this feeling we only get with a BMW, and it's until this day. So I'm so happy to see even those modern cars speaking to you like they were back in the days. Yeah, back in the days.
So much of this year, man. Joe Burke, thanks so much. Been a blast.
An XSM, beautiful car. Traction, the speed, the braking system, the bands, the cornering, excellent. I really enjoyed it, totally enjoyed it. It's a lifetime experience. Thanks, gentlemen. Thanks, M Fest. 50th Festival. Thanks all, guys.
The sound of the car, glorious, beautiful.
It was amazing. Adrenaline, excitement. I didn't even know how to act, what to say.
Wow, it was great, eh? Yeah.
It was awesome. Was it awesome? It was awesome. I would do it again, although I'm sure I aged a couple of years.
How come?
Well, speed's not my thing.
And then she's in the wrong place for that, I'm sure.
It was amazing. The quickest car that I've ever been in, and I'm definitely gonna start riding myself.
Yeah, I know, we're excited. BM, something about BM, man. The M Power was also easy. I want to get into the M4 competition. I was skeptical about the new M2, the one that's just been featured, but then it's growing on me now. It's growing on me. In the old school M3. That one, in love with it, yeah.
Definitely my future car. So I currently drive a 3, and a step up and upgrade is definitely a 5. I feel BMWs are for people who are alive, who love the thrill, who are just full of life, you know. And maybe when we are 60, we'll move to the other brands. But for now, this is life. This is where the life is. Woo!
Thanks for watching. Now, did you know that Cars.co.za has a brilliant app? It's actually one of the most popular apps in South Africa, and that's because it's actually really bloody good to use. You can save your favorites. So while you're shopping, you know, if you're taking a couple of weeks to shop, you just save your favorites so you don't lose them. And it's also a brilliant way of finding new car specs and pricing. It's incredibly detailed. I use it all the time. The link to the app is in the description below. You can get it on iOS and Android, and it's in the Huawei App Gallery, I think it's called. Yes, that is what it's called. Cool, alrighty, and I'm done. Good? Okay.
Cars.co.za.